Get noticed in this 2006 Saab 97X. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.